Enterprise artificial intelligence initiatives frequently collapse right at the critical transition from proof of concept to full production deployment. This happens when organizations route every repetitive subtask through the most expensive proprietary cloud APIs. By treating every simple query like a complex reasoning problem, businesses see their production overhead inflate by over 100 times their initial pilot budget. Managing these costs while maintaining performance leads to a buy-to-accelerate, build-to-own hybrid model, a strategy that uses high-end APIs for speed and local models for long-term ownership. A resilient architecture does not depend on a single monolithic model. Instead, it enforces a strict alignment between the complexity of a task and the size of the model assigned to solve it. This is managed by an AI gateway. It acts as an intelligent intent filter, routing high-frequency, simple queries, roughly 89% of standard volume, to fast, inexpensive, small language models. Only the remaining 11%, tasks requiring multi-step reasoning, escalate to expensive frontier cloud models. This decoupling strategy allows organizations to hot-swap models as market pricing changes, while ensuring that the majority of user interactions receive sub-second response times. In regulated sectors, sending data to third-party APIs can lead to residency breaches and GDPR violations. Once data transits to a public cloud, the organization loses absolute control over its lifecycle. To prevent this, open-weight models can be hosted locally inside trusted execution environments. These enclaves isolate data at the hardware level, ensuring it remains encrypted and inaccessible to outside operators during active computation. Beyond security, production systems must also address the data layer itself. Standard communication formats often include redundant syntax that consumes unnecessary tokens and drives up costs. This chart compares token consumption across different data formats. Standard JSON is verbose, but by stripping away redundant syntax and using token-optimized formats like YAML or CSV, organizations reduce their total payload size by 40 to 45%. Combining these optimized data structures with localized open-weight models creates a system where data residency is maintained and compute costs remain fixed. Even a secure system carries risk if probabilistic AI models are allowed to autonomously alter database states or critical business logic. Production deployment requires a 3-tier work zone system. The green zone is for read-only tasks like documentation. The yellow zone allows for internal form filling, but requires a human to confirm every action. The red zone completely blocks automated financial transactions or billing changes. This framework is overseen by a cross-functional risk pod, ensuring that the organization maintains strict operational boundaries as AI usage scales. Achieving this requires a 90-day execution plan. A dedicated Tiger team moves through 3 distinct phases: grounding the infrastructure, defining legal and data boundaries, and finally scaling into live production workflows. This transition also offers a financial advantage. By formally structuring the development of custom AI gateways and fine-tuning pipelines as R&D, enterprises can often recover up to 25% of developer salary costs through tax grants. By moving away from a total reliance on monolithic cloud models, enterprises can finally escape the limits of pilot programs and secure a scalable, production-grade AI ecosystem.